Hey there, Tamara Carroll, the Joy Queen and your creativity coach. That's a fun new title. I just wanted to take a minute and just pop in and say thank you so much for all of your support over the years. And I want to share with you what's happening now in my life and how I can help you reach the heart of God for yourself. About Pentecost time, springtime last year, the Lord started speaking to me and saying, "See only my face." And I thought, wow, what does that mean, Lord? And as I prayed into it more, He started telling me more and showing me more and giving me a vision for what my new business is going to look like. So, under the covering of Create Joy today, I am birthing Joyous Creations. And within Joyous Creations, I help you to connect to the heart of God with healing art, with prophetic art, with just ways to get in touch with Papa God and hear everything that He has for you in a fun and creative way. Now, you might be saying, gosh, that sounds really good, but I'm not creative. Well, guess what? You are. If you have God in your heart, you have the Creator in your heart, right? And I bet you've been creative in other ways, maybe in parenting or in your business or in relationships. Well, now God is saying, come on, let's have fun. Let's paint. Let's just be joyous and just hear my heart for you. So out of that time of praying and working through some strategies and business stuff, the Lord just really started showing me classes that I can offer. And they're actually interactive workshops. The painting that's right here behind me was one of my first paintings that I did with Papa God, and I paint with my fingers pretty much exclusively. I rarely will use a tool, but so this one is called Coming Into His Presence, and from there, the Lord just started showing me more and more and more ways that I can really hear Him and experience Him in a whole new way that is just full of creativity and art and painting and it's just limitless what the Lord can show us through creativity. So I just wanted to share a couple little things with you. I am going to be offering some online classes, so that's very exciting for those of you that live far away. Currently, I have some Bible art journaling courses that, just so you can see that I'm writing a book on the names of God and all of His power and how we can magnify His name and His power into our lives. And so that will be a Bible study that we'll be working on together, and I'll be teaching you some techniques for Bible art journaling. You might even want to get together with some girlfriends, and the platform that I'm using is Zoom, so we'll be able to see each other and interact as though we were just sitting in each other's living room. So that will be very fun. And then some of the other courses that I'm offering is I got trained at Bethel Church up in Redding as a art sozo facilitator. So I am teaching on inner healing with art. So fun. I'm telling you guys, I've had several workshops already, and every single person that I've seen come through has had some kind of breakthrough. So it's just amazing how the Lord can truly work on your life issues and your heart and places that you're stuck or wounds using art. Super fun. And then the last type of classes that I'm offering is prophetic art. Very similar to what I have back here. Of course, my art is going to look different than your art, and however God decides to speak to you through your own experience of making your prophetic art. And then lastly, one of the really cool things that the Lord has gifted me with just recently, and I'm telling you guys, I never went to school for art or art classes. I cannot even draw a stick figure. So just wanted to show you, this is one of the prophetic paintings that I did with my fingers. And so now what I'm offering, and the Lord has totally gifted into me, is I'm doing prophetic personal art pieces. And so I pray for you and I worship God and I just ask Him to release whatever He has for you and whatever comes through the canvas, and then I pray for it with a prophetic word. And it's really been amazing, and it's really been a way to plant seeds into people's lives and really help them to connect with God. So if you're interested in any of that, the information is down below in my newsletter or at my Eventbrite link. So anyway, I'm just so excited to just share with you, and I'm looking forward to so much about meeting with you, whether it's online or in person. I also can come to small groups. I can come to birthday parties, super fun. Been doing a lot of birthday parties, adult birthday parties with the Prophetic Art, and then also, you know, with your church group. So anyway, it's super fun. Retreats. I do retreats. All right. So I'm going to let you go for now. Thank you so much for checking it out. And I am just so blessed by each and every one of you who have been my friends and just been there supporting me all along. So thank you much. Love you bunches. Tamara Carroll, the Joy Queen, and your creativity coach. Bye.